Hello everyone, my name is Devarshi Mehta and welcome to the second episode of Daddy Goes on Bower podcast. Today we are going to talk about why Gen Z ride. Is it a passion, a flex, or it's just a phase? These days bikes are all over social media. Everyone wants to post it with one. But how many people actually ride? So today we are going to ask a very simple question to a Gen Z and he is also one of my riding buddy, a close friend. I would like to invite Mr. Ronik Sori.
Yeah, how are you, bro?
I'm good, thank you.
So, thank you first of all for having me, and many congratulations to Devarshi Bhai for starting out this podcast.
Thank you so
And
much.
the whole vibe and setup looks fabulous.
Okay.
So,
Thank
yeah,
you so
my
much.
name is Ronik Soni, and I'm a businessman and also DJ and producer from Anand, Gujarat, and I'm also a motorcycle lover. So, yeah.
Okay, looking towards your outfit, I'm very much impressed and
Mhm.
with your ornaments,
Oh,
this chain and the
yeah.
rings. And would you please let me know that you
Okay.
have specially dressed up with this, or there is a backstory behind
Mhm.
this ornaments and thing?
So I actually this is like our own my jewelry products brand, which is Home Jewelry,
Okay,
and
okay,
like this is all products are customized and 925 sterling silver,
okay,
and we have a huge collection in the woman department, and we majorly deal in Devarshi by antique jewelry, antique tarnish and gold forming.
okay,
So yeah, Home Jewelry is in our outlet showroom. So yeah, this is what my jewelry right now is from.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for this. So, are you ready to begin with the podcast, please?
Yeah, sure, why not? All good.
All right, let's go ahead then. Okay, so the very first question for you is you are a jeweler, as you said, by profession,
Mm-hmm.
okay? Not someone from the motorcycle industry
Yes.
or a background.
Mm-hmm.
So, what make you to love the motorcycle
Mm-hmm.
and how the love for the motorcycle begin?
So actually, yeah, it is very true that I was born in a बिजनेस ओरिएंटेड फैमिली
Okay,
और वही बात मैं लाइक सुनता था बचपन से कि 1 तोला 2 तोला गोल्ड
okay,
सिल्वर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस
okay,
लाइक देयर वाज नॉट मोटरसाइकिल पैशनेट सो बट देयर इज अ मैड क्रेज अबाउट रॉयल एनफील्ड बुलेट
okay,
जब भी बुलेट जाती है तो सबको पसंद आती है
okay,
तो जब भी मैं व्हेन आई वाज इन आल्सो चाइल्डहुड तो जब भी बुलेट जाती थी तो जो उसकी वॉइस आती थी जो थंब वॉइस देवर्षि भाई सो इट रियली लव्ड मी एंड द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ दैट बाइक और एक सिचुएशन आई थी लाइक व्हेन माय फादर्स फ्रेंड हैड टू लिव अब्रॉड like 2 to 3 months and he had a very Royal Enfield vintage bullet so he said that मुझे पता है कि तुझे ये बाइक बहुत पसंद है तो
Mhm.
take care of it
Okay,
and when I'm will back okay so you can have it so
okay,
then जब मैंने पहली बार I had that posture of sitting that thumb voice and then regularly driving so at that point of time I really loved about motorcycling and also try to develop interest about different type of motorcycles like what
okay,
is adventurous
okay,
what is cruiser
okay,
then fat
okay,
boy
okay.
Harley Davidson so yeah
तो
it was there but showed up later maybe
ओके, तो मैं ऐसा मान सकता हूँ कि आप उस टाइम मर्द बने.
yeah I became a true murd from boy to
Okay,
I became a man
okay,
yeah
okay,
so yeah
all right, okay, that's nice. Let's go ahead with the next question.
yeah sure
So this might be very, very surprising for you.
okay
Many people think that once life gets busy
yes
with work, as you are a businessman as well,
yeah
right? And business, hobby takes a backseat.
mm-hmm.
Has that happened to you, or do you still make time for riding?
So like after completing my education when I started to doing my family business
Okay,
so I also thought that I will slowly the passion will be fade out and hobbies will be gone out because this happens to the most of the people
okay,
and we can relate it बट देवर्षि भाई मुझे लगता है कि जब भी हमको किसी की चीज पे बहुत पैशन है वी रियली लाइक हम एक वे बना देते हैं फाइंड अ वे ऑफ डूइंग इट एंड ऑल्सो बैलेंसिंग आउट So after completing, my business hours, I also always try to do making music production,
Okay.
feed, then going for a motorcycle ride around the city, taking
Okay.
care of it.
Okay.
Then also trying to do gigs of DJing, maybe weekend. So I think it's not, mostly that finding an excuse, but really finding a way out of it and balancing our career also at the same time passion. So मुझे मैं ऐसे करता हूँ और I will also suggest to the people that you can do both of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you as you said that you take care of your motorcycle, तो
Yeah.
किस टाइप की टेक केयर करते हो आप मोटरसाइकिल?
See, I just recently bought my new motorcycle, which is Royal Enfield
Okay.
Meteor 350.
Okay.
And I'm just started to knowing about how to take care. But around 15 days मैं chain की service कराता हूँ. Then every week there is a full wash of the bike.
Yeah.
Then going for a regular services, and also taking, even when I'm riding, I'm aware that my motorcycle does not get damaged. So yeah, I'm just bit of also learning that, as you say, that get a very better oil like
Yeah.
Indian
Yeah, so as we
Yeah.
sorry for interruption, as we are in the platform or on the platform
Yeah.
of Indie Cruisers, I guess if you are ever in a requirement of a synthetic oil,
Yes.
oil and everything, you can
Mhm.
always contact Anmol Bhai.
Yes.
He will
Yeah.
guide you
Yeah,
and he
sure.
will let you know which oil is suitable for your
Yeah,
motorcycle.
and I know the result of your bike also. बहुत बढ़िया result आते हैं.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
all right, let's move ahead. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
I would like to ask you, do you think Gen Zs really love riding, or do they just want to own a cool bike?
I think it's bit of twisted question, because like I'm also Gen Z too. I think majority of the people Gen Z are just want to seen on the bike. Let's be honest.
Okay.
And dealership by social media ने अभी like people's mind have changed a lot of.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
अब suppose like they show everything,
Okay.
like their hobbies, their expensive car, bike, and where they are, also their downfall and emotional way. So I think maybe we can say that they want to seen on it, want to look cool around in the high school and also in the Instagram. But I can say there are also Gen Z who really love motorcycle,
Okay.
and it doesn't matter with them whether they own a higher CC bike or
Okay.
lower CC.
Okay.
So they really go for a big trip. I have some friends also.
Okay.
So, but majority of people maybe want to seen on it and just want to make cool and that hype. Of
Okay.
because social media also.
So
Yeah.
you are saying that those type of people will keep their bikes more in their garages and rather than on the roads, right?
Yeah, I agree on that.
Talking about cool and hot thing, I think you should have the cool Red Bull. It's
Yeah.
next to you. Please have it.
Yeah. Okay, sure. So
Okay. Okay. The next question. Back in the day, for millennials like me or maybe elder people who are passionate about motorcycles, so they have a common objective that achieving a bike with their own money was a really big achievement for them, right?
okay.
But nowadays, I mean, Gen Z, they want their bike as soon as they turn 18.
Oh, okay.
I mean, what's your take on this?
Actually, Devarshi I can relate with it.
Okay.
Because when I was 18 too, I also wanted to have my favorite bike.
Okay.
Because हम बचपन से when we see our Bollywood hero,
Okay.
हीरो आता है कॉलेज में एंट्री देता है अपने सुपर बाइक से, और जो साइलेंसर का वॉइस होता है
Okay.
सबका दे टर्न देयर हेड्स रिएक्शन टुवर्ड्स हिम.
Okay.
And also at that age we also want to impress girls too, let's be honest. And
Okay.
we also have seen our Hollywood heroes like Arnold driving Harley Fat Boy. So I think suddenly when they turn 18 they want to have their bike for that reaction, because that reaction gives us so much joy. And at the same time abhi social media ne bahut hi bada game has played to get a Gen Z bike turning when they are 18, because like showing their bike, then
And their reaction videos.
Yes, making out reels, then also
Okay.
doing speed. So I think social media and also the perspective we have from that childhood,
Okay.
that getting a super bike, getting reaction from the people.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so yeah, these are major reasons when they turn 18.
Okay. So I think इससे ही connected next question है.
Okay.
Do you think that most of the young riders love motorcycling or they want an attention of the motorcycle?
I think another you have me. It's like a bit of controversial, but
Yeah.
I can say there are two types of people. But I will be honest.
Okay.
The majority of the people उनको
Okay.
बाइक पे बस they want to see और उनको बोलना है कि यार I own this super bike
Okay.
और वो एक रील बिल बनाते घूमते सिटी में making that exhaust sound and then it sits mostly in the parking lot.
Okay.
But if someone truly loves biking तो मैंने I have seen people who
Okay.
own a normal bike
Okay.
and also gone to the Ladakh trip so उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि that how they will show be cool in Instagram or likes and view. They really had the desire for riding,
Okay.
developing their skills, facing their problems, then building also community around very good, making
Okay.
brotherhood, enjoying life moments.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I think there are two perspectives, but right now majority of the people because of their social media and hype, people want to just seen on it. And I think for Gen Zs, maybe it can see it turn be out very bad decision
Okay.
as financially.
Okay.
So yeah, they should be responsible at the
Okay.
same time.
Yeah. Next connecting question. One, when you say you want to build a brotherhood, so what do you mean by building brotherhood? I mean, our audience will love this.
Okay.
This.
Yeah, I would
answer.
surely address. बिल्डिंग ब्रदरहुड मीन्स मतलब मैंने वो कहा कि जैसे अभी मोटरसाइकिलिंग के ग्रुप्स होते हैं सो लाइक वी कैन बिल्ड अ ग्रुप दैट कैन टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर देन राइडिंग इन अ वेरी गुड वे इन वेरी स्पेसिफिक
मतलब
वे
एक्सक्यूज मी टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर मतलब पानी पिलाना एक दूसरे को
पानी पिलाना नहीं जैसे
तो
कोई राइडर छूट नहीं गया like in the way like most of the riders in motorcycling group जैसे वो स्पीड में चलाते हैं तो लाइक वी शुड ड्राइव इन अ स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर
पर ऑर्डर और स्पीड से क्या मतलब है आई मीन यू नीड टू बी मोर एक्सप्रेसिव हियर
like we should create more discipline in driving motorcycle when we are in group.
No. Sorry, I
Okay.
just would like to clarify more
Okay.
things. You said that fast riding, ग्रुप में रहना, एक साथ रहना, या तो डिसिप्लिन राइड करना. तो फास्ट राइडर्स डिसिप्लिन नहीं है.
फास्ट राइडर है डिसिप्लिन और कोई छूट गया तो वो भी देखना तो जैन के पीछे कोई छूट गया.
That is a separate thing. Yeah. Okay.
No, but I mean that like if we go on a ride with a number of people, जैसे हम ग्रुप में जा रहे हैं, so we are building a community. We are more like a family. Okay. So I think taking care of each other means जैसे ऑफ रोडिंग चल रही है और कोई राइडर नया है बराबर और वो उसको नहीं हैंडल करना आता है तो आई थिंक देयर आल्सो पीपल who would address him के drive this way do this type of skills then also enjoying at the same time
Okay.
also not being ego clashes क्योंकि अभी मुझे एक नया चल रहा है अभी आई हैव heard and also seen कि किसकी बाइक हायर सीसी की है तो वो थोड़ा हवा में रहता है और जो नॉर्मल है तो आई थिंक सो बिल्डिंग अ फैमिली अराउंड आई डोंट मीन दैट ड्राइव चेज नंबर स्पीड बट ऑल्सो बी अ फैमिली सबको साथ में लेके चलो दैट आई मीन्स अबाउट कम्युनिटी एंड मोटरसाइकिलिंग ग्रुप.
ओके तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की जब बात आई तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसमें ही है. We often see people buy a bike, make few reels.
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है. और जैसे आपने बोला मोस्ट ऑफ द मोटरसाइकिल वो गराज में पड़ी रहती है. तो जैसे आपने टुडेज जनरेशन का एग्जांपल दिया तो ये चीज वो रेंटेड बाइक्स पे भी कर सकते हैं तो व्हाई टू वेस्ट देयर फादर्स मनी. सो आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर दैट अभी जैसे 18 में हो तो वो कॉर्पोरेट में तो जॉब नहीं कर रहा होगा.
या श्योर.
सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
My take on that is they want to look cool and they also want to assure that bro I own this bike.
So hang on a minute. What if I take let's say I take any Kawasaki motorcycle.
Okay.
अच्छे से मैं सर्विस करवा दूंगा मस्त चकाचक कर दूंगा. Who will come to know that this is a second hand or first hand? What's the point?
But you said that rented, okay?
Yeah.
And you say why they don't want rent. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल
नहीं what I said is why they want to be heavy on their pockets.
Okay.
if the same purpose is been filled with the rent. So this proves that
Okay.
they are not actually passionate, they just want the flex.
एंड वही मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि वो उनको शोरूम में जाना है, then
Okay.
want to take out that blanket, professionally shoot. I think in this case, it will seal their exclusivity, and exclusivity means looking
मतलब
very
जेब खाली करके.
हाँ जेब खाली करके बड़ा दिखाना है, social media. Let's be honest.
Okay.
And even I would say that I am also a Gen Z too. I also made a lot of mistakes, but it's always trying to improve and learn from the big brothers, like what is good in life and how to take it. So yeah.
ओके सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, जैसे आपने बोला कि आपको एक इंसिडेंस हो गया था वन ऑफ द राइड्स में कि आप पीछे छूट गए थे, मे बी यू माइट हैव फेल और यू गेट स्किड. ओके, तो आपने उससे कुछ लर्निंग लिया? लेट्स से कोई भी मदद करने नहीं आया आपका, तो व्हाट यू हैव लर्न विद दैट इंसिडेंट?
आई थिंक विद दैट इंसिडेंट मुझे ये लर्निंग मिली कि आई थिंक इफ वी आर इन अ ग्रुप देन इसलिए मैंने बोला कि वाई वी शुड बी ऑलवेज टुगेदर, क्योंकि एट जर्नी किसी को एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है या कोई स्किड भी हो सकता है. तो इफ यू आर इन अ सर्टेन डिस्टेंस और ऑल्सो नियर बाय, यू कैन गेट द आइडिया दैट समवन इज बिहाइंड और समवन इज नॉट प्रेजेंट. सो लाइक that is why how we take care of each other. At the same time, if no one is available, so at that time मैंने क्या किया कि I become very mentally strong. I pick up the bike and I just drive bike through again and gone out of that off road. So I think मुझे एक बहुत ही mentally उस incident ने मुझे बहुत ही strong बनाया as a mentally. If I am alone, then also I can deal whatever problems in life. But if we are in group, if we are certainly going in a group, then we should do certain points that will make a journey very happy.
But forget about groups. I mean, whatever incident has happened, you have learned something, right?
Yeah, I have learned.
That is positive, right?
Yeah, that is positive.
So now there is a situation where you are riding somewhere and your bike gets breakdown. You are capable enough to go home with repairing it, or at least you manage to put it in a stable
condition. I will not cry and be emotional like some Gen Z's does. Be a soft boy. I will always, this situation has become a stronger. And I want to tell every Gen Z that, try to develop your communication skill, also at the same time be physically fit and also mentally fit.
Okay. As we said that as soon as they turn 18, they want a bike. But on the other hand, parents are really scared of giving a high-end CC bike or a bike who is more aggressive, or Gen Z loves their favorite bike is aggressive bike. Let's say a KTM or Continental GT.
Yes.
So what's your take on this?
So I think देवर्षि भाई मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि why parents fear to give their young children their favorite bike when they turn 18. बिकॉज अभी जो सोशल मीडिया का हाइप चल रहा है कि जैसे ही वो अपनी नई बाइक रील बिल बना के आते हैं शूट करके, देन दे विल कंपेयर विद देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड किसका एग्जॉस्ट को लाउड साउंड है, दे विल कंपेयर दैट हुज साइलेंसर वॉइस इज बिगर. देन दे विल डू स्पीड रेसिंग इन द सिटी व्हिच इज वेरी डेंजरस and will make reel out of it to look just famous. And in the only just to for the likes and famous, अभी many accidents हो जाते for the youngster because of they are doing speed racing in the city. And उसकी वजह से parents को major loss होता है that having death of their young children. तो उसकी वजह से I think bikers reputation is also sometimes bad. So if we take a good responsibility, building a very good community around. And for me, biking is always not chasing speed or numbers. It is always about freedom, expressing myself, going on to the trips, facing challenges and problems. So if we change this perspective, parents may be fearless और वो अपने young children को bike दे सकते हैं when they turn 18. So because of this reasons, I think उनको एक डर आ गया है कि हमारे child की भी death ना हो जाए. So yeah.
So coming back to the very first title of this podcast
Yeah.
or the topic of the podcast. I would like to ask you a similar but a related question. Why Gen Z, love for anything remains, they keep on changing their love
Or
for
passion
anything,
or
their passion. Why is
Okay.
that?
So Devarshi bhai, let's be honest. I am
Okay.
a Gen Z too.
Okay.
और आई वुड से जेन जी एज अ फेलो फ्रेंड और ब्रदर के भाई देख के अभी ट्रेंड और हाइप का फोमो चल रहा है, पर मैं वही बोलूंगा कि यू हैव टू रियली लुक व्हाट यू रियली फाइंड लव टू डू इट, यू नो, बिकॉज लेट कीप अ मोटरसाइकिलिंग राइडिंग असाइड. जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि आई एम लव डूइंग डूइंग डीजेइंग एंड म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन. तभी क्या हो रहा है देवर्षि भाई कि कोई भी जेंजी हो तो वो देख लेता है डेविड ग्योटा का
हम्म.
या बड़ा डीजे और अ बिग मोटो ब्लॉगर, और वो उसका वो फेम और वही देखते हैं, बट दे डोंट सी देयर एंटायर जर्नी विच इज 10 to 15 years, and they really love what they're doing and they are always sticking to their theme only,
Okay.
not always just jumping around the trend.
Okay.
So like I would suggest Gen Z that try to find what you really love to do, because trends will come and go, but your interest and passion will always be there, and that
Okay.
will make your career and you have very uplifting life. So yeah, that's my
Alright.
point.
Okay. Thank you for your presence over here.
Yeah, thank
I
you,
would
Devashi.
really appreciate it.
Okay.
And I wish you all the best
Okay,
in your
thank you
future.
Devashi. Yeah, thank you Indie Cruiser too. Yeah.
Okay, once again, I would like to thanks Indie Cruisers for giving me this platform. I would like to shout out Indie Cruisers, and I also would like to let you know that today's podcast music is been created and developed by Mr. Ronik Soni. He's also a DJ. So I would like to give a big shout out to Indie Cruisers as well as DJ Ronnie. Thank you very much.